Hi guys, it's Nurse Jessica Seitz here, and I just wanted to do a quick video with everything that's going on. Currently, with the coronavirus, I wanted to do a quick video on how to wash your hands properly and effectively so that you can get any virus or bacterial germs or anything off of your hands. So basically, you're gonna wash your hands the same way pretty much anywhere and follow the same steps. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna, I would say it'd be best to have nothing on your hands, like not a watch or rings or anything like that, especially right now, anything that could potentially not get cleaned properly. So I have nothing on my hands, and it's some very simple, easy steps. If you do this properly, you should be able to clean everything off of your hands. So you wanna get your water turned on, okay? Get the water running first, and you're gonna wet your hands slightly. Next, you wanna apply a decent amount of like an antibacterial soap into your hands. And next thing that you're gonna do is, now that your hands are wet and lathered, you wanna start actually washing the hands. And this is where it's important to have the proper technique. You're gonna do this for at least 20 to 30 seconds. So there's different areas of your hand and all these areas need to be cleaned. So starting first, you're gonna wanna wash the palms of your hands on both sides, like so. Next, you wanna get the backs of your hands on both sides, like so. Following that, you wanna interlock your fingers and get in between the fingers as best as you can, like so. Following that, you're gonna wanna go through every little finger that you have with your soap. Each finger. Because basically what you're trying to do here is cover every area of your hand and make sure that you're getting the soap actually everywhere. Once you've done all the fingers, I like to kind of rub the sides of my hands as well. Then what a lot of people forget is your nail beds. You need to wash the nails into the palm of your hand and get the soap really, really good in there in your hands as well. Then what you're gonna wanna do is then you're gonna wanna rinse. And it's best to rinse this way rather than letting the water drip down this way and getting more contaminants on your hands that might be like on your upper arm. So you kinda wanna run it under the water like so. Getting all the soap off. Then lastly, you wanna grab your paper towel, or if you're in a public restroom, get the towel from the dispenser. Dry your hands while the water's running. And then lastly, you wanna use the paper towel to turn off the faucet, not touching it again. And if you're in a public restroom, I would use the towel still to open the handle of the restroom, and then once you've exited, then you can throw away and dispose of your towel into a garbage can receptacle. That's basically it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to clean your hands effectively in eliminating any viruses or bacteria on your hands that are potentially hazardous. Thank you. Thanks for watching Nurse Jessica Seitz.